Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today, in this video we will be learning how to install Codeblocks. Before starting the video, I would like to remind you that, at the end of the video, I will be telling how you can compile your code on different platforms as well, so, let's begin. Search for Codeblocks. Click on the first link, which is of the website, codeblocks.org. Then go to Downloads. Click on Download the binary release. Here you will be getting download link for different operating system. In our case, we are using Windows. We will download the 17.12 MingW exe file. Click on any of the two links given here. Your download will start shortly. After downloading is complete, let's install it. We have successfully installed the Codeblocks. Now, let's open it. This is the complete interface of Codeblocks. To create a new C project, click on Create a new project. Select Console Application. Select C to make a C project. Give a project title of your choice. Here, you can see that our project test1 is created on the left side in the workspace. Double-click on sources and then same on the main file. This will open up a default Hello World program. To build the program, click on this button. After building your program, you can run your program. As I told you in the beginning, that I will be telling you different other platforms for running a C program. So, let us look at it. The first platform is GDB Compiler. Click on the first link. Select your language. After this, you can type your program. For compiling the program, click here. You can see the output here. The second platform I recommend you is CodeChef. Search for CodeChef. Click on the first link. Click on Practice and then on Code Compile and Run. Select your language. You can type in your code here. To run the program, click here. Since we have nothing in the code, so we are only getting a message of code successfully run. If you loved this video, kindly give a thumbs up to the video. Goodbye.